all ne button at this broadcast. Share this video because I may not take time at this broadcast because the police in Ejukwazi from here, a full checkpoint, and he continue on a video. I don't a video ha. He continue on a video. I don't cover her. Hey, finish na go baller. Go. As no enya na ekwensu na eri nni na eji ogonogo ngas. Go. Ekwu na onwe some people ya hapụta na aso na agba ọsọ. Allow na those people ka ha zo. Allow na those people ka ha zo. Wanata go that na no yeba. If speak if to sharp. Onwe some people ya hapụta na aso gbafele ekwekwo na. Do not allow them. Do not allow them. Agụbọọla jeru na nke akwa ọkụkọ tiwala akị. A lot of us said something about how he conducted himself, about the things o kwuru ebe ahụ mgbe ọ galụ na nke akwa ọkụkọ tiwala akị. Some people who can never face anywhere, their belly na face 360 degrees. You know what I After hand a face 360 degrees. They cannot say something and stand by it. They speak from different sides of their mouth. Hapo A today, echini ne hekuo B. Hapo C today, echini ne hekuo D. They came out in defense of Agụbọọla. Say on Agụbọọla we right, it got anywhere. Na Agụbọọla, who business it? God eme, ma kusakwana na ona mota nwere ife omere. Na Agụbọọla who business ka ọ na-eme, na onwe onye nwe right. Egwa Agụbọọla ebe ọ ya aga. They made a simple whatever out of ife Agụbọọla jeme. Now, Kerifa Agụbọọla melu mgbe o jeru na nke akwa ọkụkọ. He did not go there. O merie na nke ndị nwa dibịa niile o jeru. He did not just go there to deliver the golden something o meela akwa ha. O je ebe a je towe product ye, advertise ba product ye, ka ndị mmadụ fụ nọ na-alụ ọka ibe. Ọ gara ebe ahụ towe akwa ọkụkọ na ndị dibịa ahụ si ha na ha awụ ọgadagidi. Na how this one, na how ekwucha ọgwụ, na ife ha na-eme dị Igbo mma. He went there and he kept on praising and praising them. Eulogizing them. Ịghọtana? Gwa ha na ife ha na-eme ukpo na oyoyo. That was where we had problems with him. The same Agụbọọla, the same nde nwe ebe their belly na face, their belly na face anywhere for the sake of making Facebook money, has come out again because na Agụbọọla jere na nke Jeremiah Omoto Fufoye with his brother Mike. He went there and repeated the exact thing okwuru na nke akwa ọkụkọ. Oseo na Papa Jewu, the prophet of all prophets. Na Papa Jewu nyawu omechara fancha. Na Papa Jewu this one, na Papa Jewu this one. The same people who told you mgbe o jelu nke akwa, jelu hype man na nke akwa. The same people ahụ gbapụta. Duzie against the same thing o jeme na nke akwa. Duzie against it na nke Jeremiah. You will ask yourself, are you with us or are you against us? Can you tell us the principle you will in this life? Can you tell us your stand to some certain issues so that when such things happen, we will say, no, this stand go you take. Who are you? What do you represent? That is the question I want to ask some people. He even went and made reference to Nkakwa Kuko no Jelu. Why are you telling Agụbọọla no gbapu je na Nkakwa? Gbapu je na nke Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Si na nke Evangelist Ebuka Obi fepụ ọsọ jewe na nke Jeremiah. Ọ no he follows 100 days fasting. According to question nwanne anyị nwoke jụrụ. or no he follows the 100 days fasting. No, yes, over the 100 days fasting. At the end of the 100 days fasting, miracle Mary, Kamalebe, miracle house, Webia. Now, my thought exactly is no, Jeremiah is not even the issue, because Jeremiah na evangelist Ebukobi wo fala aje ka ha na chilefi e wotana. If not because no lolo ebe ahụ enye ye ncha okwuo ife ahụ eba nwoke nwuna ka kidnap n'abalị ahụ e wotago. If not that no lolo ebe ahụ gwa ndị mmadụ na Jeremiah wo a real man of God. That is what this our brother achọghị ịnụ. E wotago. This our brother achọghị ịnụ ebe meghepụrụ ọnụ kwuo na any pastor at all is a real or true man of God. But he want to see people praising ndị nwa dibia. E wotago. Onye ọ na chọrọ ide ekwu iri ebe ego si na akpa ya apụta, ebe esi eti ihe ego na akpa. Brunu machine na-agba n'etiti ilo. Brunu machine na-agba n'etiti ilo. Ndezi ilo. You know that go? For as long as he told akwa ọkụkọ, for as long as he told akwa ọkụkọ afa, for as long as he say na akwa ọkụkọ walk ibe, he doesn't care. He doesn't care. He will defend you. He will protect you. You know that go? He will defend you. Yet I am a Christian, but this one we left the church, but we did not leave God. Some people supposedly do shameless in this life. Nkuchakwa senga amu nwoke nyabulu nwoke. Amu nwoke. Nyabulu nwoke. Nwoke supposedly amu nwoke. Iwulu nwoke. Eji ha amu eme decoration. Onwe erisi mpatalo eji we mu ogu nye umoso. E otago. Onwe erisi mpatalo eji we mu ogu nye umoso eji awu nwoke. The same thing ojeru na nke akwa ọkụkọ jeme. I okwu ọmapụta in defense to akwa ọkụkọ and agụbọla. Does it mean that today na agụbọla adugo restricted to go to ebe supposed region? Does it mean that today na agụbọla emechana business? Does it mean na according to them na ha say na anyị nwa na-enye mkpọtụ na Facebook ndị na-ekpokọrọ ego? Does it mean ya wulugodu n'ụgwọ ka Jeremiah kwuru ya? Nya wurugodu n'ụgwọ ka Jeremiah kwuru ya. Eche nne na business is business. Onye mara ebe ewo enyeri ego nya jee nala ego. Is that not what you said yourself? Unu ya eji aka unu na-egosi onwe unu na Facebook a mana unu amaghọ. You na shout, hey! Na-ekwenu agụbọla. Ị na-enye mkpọtụ, making noise. That is how I see it. That is complete noise. Ridiculing yourself. How can you come and condemn what you have upheld before? You told us n'ifo mere na nke akwa adumma. Na afa niile oturu akwa adumma, ọkwa akwa wee nye ya ego. Yes. Why are you condemning the same afa oturu akwa? Ka o jezitue that Jeremiah. So, ị chọrọ ka etuwe as a Christian ewu, as onye ụka ewu, ị chọrọ ị prefer a Christian ijetu nwa dibia afa karịa ijetu a pastor afa. I am asking you. I prefer nwa dibia ijetu a Christian ijetu nwa dibia afa karịa itu a pastor afa. Number one. Number two, I saw where you said that na Jeremiah nyelu ha ncha wee kpere ha ekpere wee sị ha na ncha ahụ ya ebi ihe ike. I wee sị na ị na-enye ha from today till the end of this year na ha ego Rolls Royce na ọ na ha ego Rolls Royce. Mwee sị ka njụ ọgụ akwa ọkụkọ wee enyi nwoke na-agwọrọ ndị mmadụ oke ite. Onwe Rolls Royce. Onwe Rolls Royce. Onwe Rolls Royce ka nna ajụ. Akwa ọkụkọ wee enyi nwoke ị na-defend anywhere na ọgwụ ya ụgụnụ. Na ọ na-agwọrọ ndị mmadụ ọgwụ oke ite. Na-agwọrọ ndị mmadụ ọgwụ awere. Nye ndị mmadụ ncha awere. Na-enye ndị mmadụ ekwe. Onwe Rolls Royce. Okota na Rolls Royce. Ọkwọ Mercedes G-Guard barabus ko golo ụbọchị a. All over the place. Moto ụmụazị gokpocha n'alụ. Cute abịara ha gocha n'alụ since over how long ago. A lot of ụmụazị gocha na agbara onwe ha. If not for anything, agụbọla golu is it 2017 ye ka ogono or 20 gono? More than 6 years ago. More than 6 years ago, ka agụbọla golu moto ha. Onye ka akwa golu ụbọchị ya. Go new model ye. Ọ na-afị ebe niile. So now, I am asking you, are you aware that my brother Mike nwere 3 moto ọ na-agba? 3 motos ọ na-agba ya wi dekosi ego ha is above 100 million. Are you aware? Are you aware that na kelafa ya brother Mike nwere 1 moto, 1 car na garage ye and over 35 million to 40 million? Are you aware? Now ngonwa do closer to that source na ebi ndị mmadụ okite na ebi ndị mmadụ ego. Kelo moto one ka iji ego ugota? Moto one ka ngonwa ji ego ugota? Ngonwa go na this powerhouse no n'ọba do mma na erikọ na aṅụkọ unu na apali onweta na nke igotalo over how many years ago na eji wee tọba ihe eji wee mee expert na because na agụbọla and the brother Mike jenu na nke that Jeremiah enye ha ncha, therefore that na ha ye gota Rolls Royce at the end of this year no na ha emeghe no ya man ife a na-eme ada alụ ọrụ mwee sị ka nju ọgụ that powerhouse yi nwelu n'ọba onwe Rolls Royce ka ọ na ọ da akụ ya ọ yara ya like idego Rolls Royce ahụ ka ife kpatalụ na onwe Rolls Royce. I am asking you, after how many months o ji wee go last moto ogolu ojego brabus, which is good, it is a lot of money, it is nice, it is commendable. You got that? But sometimes I na-ekwu okwu na Facebook ka anyị mara ife anyị na-ekwu ka anyị ghara ijikwa aka anyị na-agbụ nwa anyị egbe n'ọkpa. Ị na-ekwu okwu na Facebook na agụkọ ma anụ nwere ndị nwere akọ na uche, ma anụ nwere ndị nwere akọ na uche. This man gara na nke already o tena mụ nwa kwuru na agụbọla esogho n'ife a na-alụ. You got that? I've said it a long time ago because agụbọla is just a Jpac Pro Max. You got to go. They go to where their belly will find food. Ebe ha na-eje ebe their belly will find food to eat. You got that? So, onwe ife gbasara mụ na, but my concern na this okwu is I am trying to quote exactly what Jpac said. Let me call his name. I'm trying to quote Jpac exactly. N'ife okwuru about agụbọla mgbe ojeru nke akwa ọkụkọ. Now what has changed now? Ojeru nke Jeremiah ajọghị echi niile ese na ezugo ha bụ ụka n'isi. So ngonwa we onye supposed iburu ịda fight church n'isi. I'm asking you because that is what you are saying. No matter how you say you left the church, you did not leave God. Don't forget that now. Even ndị nwa dibia si n'onwe God ha na-efe. So you have to tell us exactly the God you did not leave and the God you moved to. You got to go? I'm asking you, since you left the church, you did not leave God, you have to tell us the God Ili Igbo. Is it the God that ndị nwa dibia na-ekpelu ka Ili Igbo? Ka Chineke nke bi n'eluigwe ka Ili Igbo? You have to tell us. Eh? You decided to turn to yourself as an instrument of mockery to yourself. You think you are no nwere onye ina-eme onwe ikulisisha everything that made you original. Ikulisisha everything people na admire about you. You will keep running around just like you have been doing. Yes. You gotta go. Ọwụrụ na moto nke ngụnwa na anya na-ego iri egoi. Ọwụrụ na moto ngụnwa na anya na-adashiri ya adashi. Despite ide etiri nwa dibia ịmụrụ amụ mkpu. Despite ide etiri nwatakịrị ịmụrụ amụ mkpu. Yet ego irigu oke moto ị na-anya. The first moto bụ leather seat ịgbara n'ụwa ego iri egoi. Onye ka ịwụ ide ewotalụ brother Mike gbaa n'alụ kere moto brother Mike agbapụ. Anyị ma mgbe ogolu formatic ọ gbara. Do you know ego na-ele that Dodge car ọ na-ele ọ na-agba? Igbe ego na-ele that Dodge car ọ na-agba. Go and price that car. Go and price that car. Ka ịma how many million a na-ele. Ọ pụtakwa ụbọchị a. Go BMW. Yes, go BMW X6. Igbe ego one a na-ele ye. Do you know how much they sell that car? Ọ pụtakwa ụbọchị a. Go Prado. O go Prado. Igbe ego na na-ele Toyota Prado. Ọ pụtakwa ụbọchị a butekwa Mercedes S-Class nke mgbamgba. Igbe ego na na-ele that Mercedes S-Class. He built his duplex ebe obi today, and that is more like the second or third house ọ na-alụ. He is currently building his hotel in Benin City. So this caliber of a person, is this somebody now say from now to the end of the year? He's already successful. He's already successful. Benjamin Mbekwo, Anam Nasiarin, I cannot be going through the comment sections like that. I greet you. Yeah? This is a successful somebody. In as much as I don't like the way Agubola is conducting himself. But that guy is still bigger than you. He is still bigger than you. If not for anything, I knew when Agubola completed his hotel. I knew when he completed his hotel. I keep saying it. Onye lulu swimming pool duna hotel Agubola who put King State in Afu today. Go and ask him. He is the one who lulu swimming pool duna hotel Agubola. How many years ago? We are talking about Ifemelu over 5-6 years ago. So either ways, he is not still in your league and category. Yes, he's not still in your league and category. So why are you Sunday work here? Stand one place. There is dignity and there is joy in standing one place. There is dignity and joy when people quote you and quote you and quote you over 1 year, quoting you over the same thing. There is joy in that. That is how to be a man. People will always quote and say, Jpac said this, Jpac said that. The same thing. There is joy in doing that. Yeah? I can see joy in Iku Ifeta. Another one. One nature, another one. A rainbow of 7 colors. Yeah? You have gone back to defending Aqua with everything in you. I hope he knows better now. I hope he knows you better. I hope he knows that no okpu katatu permanent tattoo SLC. I hope he knows that no okpu will change like that of a chameleon. Yes, I hope he knows that no okpu will change like it ameba enweho a specific shape. I hope he knows better now. I hope Noya allow Kwage again to go deeper inside him again, into him again. Because everybody has known you. You want to prove that you are a betrayer. That is what you have proven. Eh? Are you even believing that one day, as a media person, now somebody will make you special advisor or a political spokesperson here, or even make you his or her spokesperson, or put you in their media front? They cannot do that, because doing that will be exposing you into so many things here in the near future. There is no trust. Eh? There is no trust. Eh? No single trust in you defending what equal for. Eh? So sometimes I wonder, and I keep wondering, and I am still wondering. You told on this Facebook, for a place I they making mockery of people. You want to turn this Facebook? I don't know what you people want to turn this Facebook. Gullible followers who cannot differentiate between A or B, who cannot tell the difference between white and black, who cannot tell the difference between good and bad. They are the people because all hanchani they are na program yesterday because they like Agubola. He chef that this is the same Agubola. This same man came up some time back to come and defend. What has changed? You told us clearly because Nifilu and Zion will issue with Agubola going to Kelafe. Nande Zion will problem with Agubola going to Akwakoko's place. You came out and condemned it. It was all because of Zion. That was why you made that stand there. Now that he has gone to that Jeremiah's place, you have now seen that it is not all about Zion. Now I will ask you, what is the crime Agubola committed that no Gallo can get that Jeremiah? If you even want to say that he has committed a crime on committee was going to Kelafe. Crime on committee was going to Akwakoko's place. Yes. Because at least in case that Jeremiah Ojelu correspond with what we knew him for. Like on Siena. Or correspond with what we can be say about all of this now. Yeah? Nke that Jeremiah Ojelu corresponded with what we knew him for. I don't have problem with people going from one church to the other. After all to Chineke ka na-ekpere ebe ahụ, ufala aji ka na-achụrụ efi. Yes, are you telling me that nature in even na winners? I am an Anglican by birth. I am still an Anglican till today. But when I go to Zambia, I worship in Winners Chapel. Ofu Chineke ka anyị na-ekpelu. Ofu ala aji ka anyị na-achụrụ efi. Ịghọtana? Ebe nsogbu ya nọdụ owu ịnọkata echi niile. Fom ka njekwaziri ife tụkara nke nwa dibia. Oge ahụ malụ na m eche njiko. It is what it is. It is what it is. Oge ahụ ka ị ya ama na m eche njie na ife nka njekwa na the same line. Ọnọdụ ka onye na-ele building materials. O wee wụ na ebe ọ na-eje azụ afịa ahụ na nkwọ. Ịnọkata echi niile. But for that person ka o jere ịzụ afịa na keriva na akpọ ebe a na-ele building material side Ọnịcha na Mkpọ also. I nwewe problem. Is it? Obosi. I nwewe problem. Problem gụrụ ka ị na-enwe. Ife ọ na-ele ka o jekwara igolu. Ebe nsogbu na a na-ada owu na ọwụ na ifuru onye ahụ ka o jekwasịrị igo material akwa. Iwe ma na onye ahụ echenje na line of business. I nwere ike jụwazie ihe na ọ na ihe elezi building materials. So, what is the problem with the agụgbola? Iji na nke that Jeremiah, Papa J, I don't have problem with that. I will know about Ojelu before. You won't see me talking or complaining. Believe me. I will know nke that Jeremiah Ojelu mba. You won't see me. In fact, I will know Jenanka kwa lueba le afia naba. You won't hear me say anything. The only problem mwelo the other go no jeleba hu to la akwa. So akwasi anyị na akwa weze ndeze. Na akwa ahụ nke a. Obere nwa bụ ike, kere ike obu, gụnụ bili ike ahụ. Ife bili ike ahụ or the same source you believe in as a man. That is the question. That is where we had a problem. But you came out and you defended him today. Because now that the Jeremiah has up go meji you. That the Jeremiah na-enye ndị mmadụ ncha. That the Jeremiah na-enye ndị mmadụ mmiri. Mana onye nwe ọkwụ aka agụ n'ọba na-agwa ite bi ndị mmadụ gwa ha na ite ahụ eme ha ọgaranya. Ihe ekwu okwu, inwe any problem with that because to you ọ na-alụ ọrụ. Ịgwala anyị na ndị dibịa niile ewu nyawo onye ha na-emulate n'ogo Jigad ịnya Jigad agụba ha. You told us clearly that na ndị dibịa niile na-eṅomie na onyinye amara dị n'iche n'iche. Na onyinye amara Chineke nyere ya dị iche. Na onwe onye n'ime ha ya gwọrụ ọgwụ etu o si agwọ. You keep saying that. You keep saying that. Now I ask you, ndị ọba niile o burucha na ego. Onye ahụ ị na-eto isi na onwere power. Ka m na-ajụ family ya niile awụrụcha na ọgaranya. I am asking you, ụmụnne niile awụrụgo ọgaranya. This is questions you need to ask yourself before you be on Facebook bịa nyewe mkpọtụ. I'm asking you, come and answer me. Oke ite aha a na-agwọ. So oke ite to capable of ime mmadụ ọgaranya. Right? Oke ite to capable of ime mmadụ ọgaranya. But onye jizi ncha pastor nyere ya ego ahụ wụ fake ka ọwụ. Onwe ife ọ na-alụ. I hear you. Nwanne amụọ nwoke position o well. Amụọ nwoke nya wuru nwoke. Ha amụọ nwoke a na-eme ka nwaanyị. Ịghọtago? Enwe zero tolerance to ụmụ nwoke aha stand on their words. Even if I have to change from my stand, it has to be after too much conviction. Ịghọtago? There will be too much conviction in memu. I don't convince that this thing I've been saying that no, then I can change. A man had to change. Oh, one you name one you could we pepper you also. You need the benefit of one you also or change goes bo. Oh, one you name. But that is not a bad thing to them because all their weakness. Man, I'm okay, if a man let it take a long time and a long struggling for people to prove you otherwise. That is how you know that you are a man that is a man. Oholine kukasirim fan. In as much as na in go Facebook, let us make sure that we don't lose our originality in this Facebook. Make sure that you don't lose that originality. Then I go Facebook. And that is why you have always believed that some of us we still change. Then I ask you, some of us will change from what exactly? From doing what we believe in, but from doing what our faith accept. I don't need people to pay me for doing what I believe in. I don't need somebody to pay me to drive this my car. Yes, I don't need somebody to drive this my car. I believed in this car before in Jegoriye. So somebody should not convince me, somebody should not pay me into driving this car. It is when you want me to drive another person's car to somewhere that you can even begin to think about paying me. He will convince him so that I can drive that car. Not in my own. Because I believe so much in my own. That was why out of the whole Motonine Tonafia, you went and buy that one. But that is for people who know the value of buying cars. That is for people who knows what it takes to put their hand inside their pocket and buy a car. Those are the people I am making this reference to. I'm using this as example for those people. You believe so much in Facebook monetization. Build your life with that ego monetization. Brother Mike, they are doing so. They are doing so. Even on your bodo, I have to use him as an example too. They are doing so. They are establishing themselves in monetization money. Executive, we have a lot of Igbo content creators who are making living, who are making their living with ego monetization, and they are doing fine. They are still doing fine. So why can't you focus on ego monetization now? Will you build all your life? I am asking you, why will you always be dependent in beggy? On you go yezu or over time yezu one man over time I have Facebook every month ezu ije we build your mansion no wa ozu is save mobile go back kasha it should be India, it should be America, it should be Egypt. Mobile go baraka it should be eje celebrate birthday. You just say go your stress and your talent in your does it happen that way? And that is why some of you because you know in a position where you are, you have all the opportunity to be a big man, but you will not utilize that opportunity thereby. You will be waiting for that is why a lot of people lose their originality. Because you can never speak and quote yourself. You will always be quoting people who are in your favorite book. I don't need to do that. Yes, I don't need to do that. Why will you have problem as a Christian? Why will you have problem that an agwu got in a church of another pastor? Whoever told that pastor, why will you have a problem with that? I am asking. But when he went to Nkapa, who is a native doctor, he was praising him. On Etoye, you don't have any problem with that. Otuto on Eto akwa na akwa all in all, na akwa ogadagidi, na akwa kuome, on how the source akwa operate. So you don't know what he's doing. On Ezo, he comes to Facebook. Wow, no, he comes to Facebook. Wow, no, so every man no and na ogwu consists more of awele and the bandem madogaranya. And they believe no ogwu ha na agwo ndem mmadụ na ite ha na egburu ndem mmadụ na eme ndem mmadụ ogaranya. Why ye ji believe na olive oil ahụ Jeremiah goziri agozi, na mmiri ahụ Jeremiah goziri agozi, na ncha ahụ Jeremiah goziri agozi, dukwa capable of ebe mmadụ ogaranya? Is that how biased you have become? Amagwa nkunu si eme o. Amagwa nkunu si eme na Facebook a. But even my own nde nwere uche aya anọrụ na Facebook a ndị akọ na uche kọlụ emislead ndị be anyị. Chineke ekwekwuna ka aka nwere ndị uche ha fọrọ afọ na ana Igbo na Facebook a, and we will always speak when the need be. We will always speak when the need be. Yeah? Show something ya adalo. Na alo that thing. Tuition na that thing. Na alo that thing. Do consistent in that thing. It will pay you off. Stop looking into people's pocket. You did not give anybody money to keep for you. Onya henye ego ekojo ya. Onya nyewe guta ekwiberie onye dewe echi ikoto ya. That is not good for a man. That is not good for a man. Odro good for nwoke. E gotta go. Odro good for a man. He did not just go to Akwa. He went to different native doctors. Lueba happy for Jerime ba come another thing. Lueba happy product here or yeto. To when down if I had a very hard VAT. No kit and so many things had him. The potassium in no business go Jerime. So what of all not the same business I hold Jerime ba go Jerime and get that Papa J. Why will you have a problem with that? Are you anti everything that has to do with church? Kelife church imelu. Kelife church imelu. Ogo na ndị Zion ministry mejọrọ. Ogo na evangelist Ebuka Obi na Zion mejọrọ. Other pastors mejọrọ. Or are you trying to tell us who you are originally? Before it do misled by the so much money done at Zion, and you thought that Nande Zion ye put you on a payroll. Is that what you are thinking? I am asking you. Is that what you were thinking? Does it mean that you are really showing us who you are now? You want to come and tell us now that need change overnight? Some months back, in a Nyempoto, and Jesus Christ and car, the pastors and car. Some days back, some time back, it's not even up to how many months, about 2 months or 1 month plus ago. You suddenly changed overnight. How are they even sure that tomorrow you will not change again like a hand fan? How are they sure? I am asking. Sure that you will not change again, because you are proven to be the most unstable content creator na Facebook here, and that is why your mate you will have channel jewel every day na brag na mmepe Facebook na amubuhu. But I have to go hide. A lot of people go na hand on a Facebook. We have seen what they have achieved because of their consistency. Yet you have not seen that your inconsistency is not paying you off. It keeps reducing you to zero. When it's more like you have done about 80 to 90% job, you will reduce yourself to zero again because of your long throat. Yes. Be stable for once in something. Let that thing pay you off, because it will pay you off. I am sure. Even when you do consistent in this way, me shall pay you. Even when you do consistent in Obama, I'm a shall pay you somehow. Come on, me shall pass your reward there. Oh, my mom has to get out for over 3 years. But I get that. If I walk, yes, all reward okay higher now later. On a hand ready to face the consequences. Can you be stable in one thing? Or will I Jpac actually to say stable me Jpac? Don't worry. Okay, me shall baby. Don't miss the two. Miss not the two. Don't always try to tell us that no, if people all the gullible followers in Wenbu. Some, not all of them, some of them. But I can tell you that if those followers say yeah, they may today now, I and Jpac now struggle for the same view. Days has gone. Mboy I call on a video view. I and struggle for the same views. Yes, I wonder the kind of view we go on a page. Yes, a page do less than 40,000 followers. Trying to meet up with a page in over 300 to 400,000 followers. Now, when you look at the rate in which other content creators announce the growth of their page, he's not doing the same anymore. Because when people want to get too comfortable, when people start following you because of A, it ought not to be. Those people will become inactive. New people are better. But all those people are going to follow you. Now that's something to consistent. When they keep sharing it, when they keep talking about you to other people, other like-minded people will keep following you. Before you know it, your page will be growing. That is why now Jpac is supposed to give you 1 million followers. Jpac anywhere. Not supposed to give you 1 million followers. But why he will not reach that 1 million followers in a hurry is because he entertains so many people. He thought that this life is all about. And he's not even doing it for the sake of entertaining you. He's doing it for his own pocket. He's doing it for his own pocket. Build a principle for yourself. Let people know you for one thing. There is no dignity in a man being rainbow with 7 colors. There is no dignity with a man being an ameba that doesn't have a definite shape. Say something, let people quote you. Every day, when a man video, and I'm a quote to Ife that different one on Yakulu. I have been quoting him for a long time, and he has never changed from that in Okulu. Every day. This inun nato, I learned it from somebody. That person has been living up to this inu for a long time. Otherwise, because when I quote him, people will like to go and know what this person represents. Then that is where they will understand perfectly that in Onya quote here for every single thing I quote to for every single thing I quote to Shinwa Shebe for. His life as a poet, we explain all that to you, even the level and tune right up any they take. We explain that perfectly to you the moment you want to go and study now about Shinwa Shebe. You will understand everything more better. So, do not allow people to be quoting you. Imagine all the things that people quote through Jpac for. Because we did not even do it the way he did it. We did not do it the way he did it. We did not do it the way we did it. We were more sensible and reasonable, more than him, in the way he did it. In his usual way, he did it so that he can interest people, so that those people can start paying him. That was why he did it out of place. So when you judge us and him, you will understand, you will tell the difference very clearly. Because no one actually impress some people. I don't need to do something away from what I believe in. That means I will not say something at all about it. I will keep quiet. I will say it and say it very well. I check point and damn it. Anya? Yes, Awanya. Another shit point. Okay. Can end there this live. I like environment bad though.